Hello everyone, welcome to making injera unfiltered part 4. Today we are making it from rice and teff flour. As always, I'll leave the measurements in the description below. Let's go make it. This injera turned out really good. I'm very pleased with the outcome. If you're using frying pan, keep your butter on the thicker side. When you're adjusting the consistency, add a small amount at a time. Once your injera cools off completely, transfer it to a clear plastic bag to keep it from drying. If you try this recipe, do let me know how you go. And if you have a specific recipe that you would like me to make, do let me know in the comment section. Yeah, that's all there is to this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. um, if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends and families. I'll see you in the next one.